If you are struggling with your corners on EAFC 25, I have a tip that can actually help you. If you are familiar with the EA games like FIFA and now EFC, you know that corner kicks were a big weapon to score goals. And even though they change a little bit on this game, you can still work your way through it. First, you need a player whose dominant leg is opposite to the corner position. So if you are on the left corner, you have to have a right-footed, and on the right corner, a left-footed. Then you are going to aim in the penalty spot. It is a little difficult to see it, but you will get it. And after that, you click on the button that you use to select your players during the game. I believe that the default configuration is L1 to PlayStation and LB to Xbox. After that, you are going to take the corner. You have to put exactly 3 bars of power. Then the camera will change and you will have full control of the player that you selected. Once you have a good position, click on the crossing button again and make a header to score. Remember that the header is 100% manual aiming, so make sure to aim to the right places. I guarantee that this tip will make your corners much better, so take your time to train this technique. And one more thing, if the player crossing has the dead ball play style, it will be even more certain, so remember that for your advantage.